Don't laugh. Come on now. Okay, we have these scores for 20 people. Let's do this first. Let's look at the scores for the first 10 people. Which score you find the maximum number of times?
75.
75. Okay. So 75 out of these 10 people, 3 people they had the score of 75. So in these first two columns, 75 has the highest occurrence. That means the mode for the first 10 people is 75. Now let's forget that one. Let's look at the scores for person number 11 through 20. What do you find now? You have 75 and 80. How many times? Both of them 3 times. So we have how many modes? 2 modes. So when you have one mode, that is called unimodal. Uni meaning 1. But if you look at this score for person number 11 through 20, and then you see that 3 people have the score 75, 3 people have the score 80. That means we have 2 modes. When you have 2 modes, that is called, yep, that is called bimodal. Bi meaning 2. So for person number 11 through 20, we have 2 modes. For person number 1 through 10, we have 1 mode. Now things are going to change if you look at the whole thing at a glance. That means you are looking at the scores, all 20 scores together. What do you find? 75. How many times? 6 times. So how many modes you have? 1 mode. So overall, when you look at the whole table, then your mode changes. You have only 1 mode, and that is 75. So simply said, in this kind of ungrouped data, your mode is what? You look at the plain data set, then you try to figure out exactly the highest occurrence of any given number, and then that's your mode. Are you guys clear with me so far?
Yes.
Anybody has any questions? Now, let's look at a group data. So now we turn to this page. Here we have this group data, and again, like I said, you look at each group and then you look at these frequencies. Now looking at this table, your job will be to look at the highest frequency you can find and then look at the group you find the highest frequency. So what is the highest frequency again? It's 11. And that we can find in which group? The group is 502 to 652. So in this grouped data distribution or group data, our mode is the rate, which is 502 to 652 per 100,000 population. That is our mode. Are you guys with me?